If the oath-taking ceremony is observed closely, you will see the members of opposition and members of the government-forming parties have been given two separate stages for oath-taking. It's absolutely shambolic that even before the start of his third term, he has divided the House. He has no intention of running the government by cooperating with or respecting the opposition. Wake up, dear Indians. These are signs of a dictator. He will again set out on his mission to brainwash you and divide our country on his patented formula of M equals Matan, Mughal, Mandir, Masjid, Mangal Sutra, Mujra. Please forgive me if I missed out any. Regrettably, in recent years, our country has witnessed a troubling division under the leadership of BJP, which has chosen to divide our nation along religion lines, tarnishing our standing in the global community. Perhaps this is the reason why BJP has not secured the magic figure of 272 seats alone in this general election. And to add insult to injury, BJP lost Ayodhya despite vigorous campaign by heavyweight leaders like Prime Minister Modi ji and UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath ji with their self-made slogan, quote, "Jo Ram ko laya hai, hum unko layenge." Sir, in the recent election, BJP attempted to instill fear and division by threatening to revoke constitutional protection for SC, ST and OBC communities and implementing discriminatory acts like CA and NRC. The outcome of this election has shown that such fear-mongering tactics do not resonate with the electorate, which is why you had to form a coalition government. For this, I thank the people of India who have shown resilience against such divisive politics, safeguarding our constitutional values, democratic ideas amidst challenging times.
By requesting the Railway Minister to kindly devote some time to Aam Janata trains, to train safety, to Kavach, to taking 1.5 lakh posts that are vacant in the safety department only, so that we don't get repeated accidents. We do not want bullet trains. We want our normal trains to be safe. Yes. Our normal trains. So the last word that I'll say is that you are giving highest priority of 10 lakh crores, 11 lakh crores to infrastructure. And what is happening? Previously, when the rain fell, the roofs leaked. Now the roofs fall and papers leak.